when you get a cut, those red blood cells are what are called enucleated, is that they lack a nucleus. Most hemolytic or hemolymph cells within insects have a nucleus. So that's already one big difference between those two. And they're not just meant to carry, oxygen or iron throughout the bloodstream or anything like that. Instead, the way these animals breathe is through diffusion. So they have these trachea, these tubules coming in from all their body sides, going internally to the rest of the animal, and then diffusion is how the oxygen is getting to the rest of the body. So you don't need the circulatory system to really act on that. They also have an open circulatory system. They don't have veins, they don't have arteries, it's just all sloshing throughout, and it's okay because you have osmosis providing the oxygen throughout the body. That's also why you have a size limitation on most insects or any animal that also breathes in that similar manner.